Gentlemen, I'm 73 years old. I've been married for 48 years. And if there's one thing I've learned about women in all my decades on this earth, it's that most men are saying all the wrong things. The compliments you think work, they don't. But what I'm about to share with you, this changed everything for me when I was your age. Listen carefully. He's absolutely right. And today, I'm revealing 8 compliments backed by psychological research that trigger something deep in a woman's brain. Something primal. Something irresistible. But before we dive in, listen, if you want to see more content like this, content that actually transforms your dating life and relationships, you need to do me a solid right now. Hit that like button. Here's why this matters. YouTube's algorithm is watching. When you like this video right now, you're sending a direct signal to YouTube that says this content is valuable. And when YouTube sees that signal, they push this video to thousands of men who desperately need to hear this message. Men who are struggling. Men who are saying the wrong things. Men who are losing opportunities with incredible women because nobody taught them this stuff. So by hitting that like button, you're not just helping me. You're helping your brothers out there who need this information. You're literally changing lives. Do it now. And while you're at it, subscribe and hit that notification bell because I'm dropping life-changing content like this every single week. Now, let's get into it. Here's the truth that nobody tells. Most compliments men give, they're completely forgettable. You're beautiful. You're pretty. Nice dress. Women hear this stuff 100 times a day. It means nothing. But there are certain compliments, scientifically proven, psychologically powerful compliments that bypass her logical brain and trigger deep emotional responses. These compliments make her feel seen. They make her feel understood. They create an instant connection that she can't explain but can't resist. I've studied psychology, behavioral science, and dating dynamics for over a decade. I've interviewed hundreds of women. I've analyzed thousands of successful interactions. And I've distilled it all down to these 8 compliments. Master these, and you won't just attract women. You'll make them feel something they rarely feel with other men. Let's go. Compliment number 1. You have the kind of energy that makes people want to open up to you. Compliment number 1. This one is powerful. Listen to these exact words. You have the kind of energy that makes people want to open up to you. Let me break down why this works on a psychological level. First, you're complimenting her essence, not her appearance. Every man compliments how she looks. But you're noticing something deeper, something about who she is at her core. This immediately separates you from 99% of men. Second, you're acknowledging her emotional intelligence. Women highly value their ability to connect with others, to make people feel comfortable, to create safe spaces. When you recognize this quality, you're validating something she deeply prides herself on, often without even realizing it. Third, this compliment contains what psychologists call social proof. You're implying that others feel this way around her too. This triggers a phenomenon called social validation. Her brain lights up because you're confirming something valuable about her that extends beyond just your interaction. Fourth, it's specific. You're not saying, you're nice or you're friendly. You're describing a specific feeling you get around her. Specificity creates authenticity. It shows you're genuinely paying attention. The science. A study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that compliments focused on character traits create stronger emotional bonds than appearance-based compliments. When to use it? Early in conversation, after she shared something personal or made you feel comfortable. Example in context, you know what I've noticed? You have this energy that makes people want to open up to you. Like, I usually keep things pretty surface level with people I just met, but there's something about you that makes it easy to be real. Compliment number 2. I love how passionate you get when you talk about specific thing. Compliment number 2. This is what I call the passion amplifier. I love how passionate you get when you talk about her specific interest. This compliment is absolutely devastating in the best way possible. First, you're showing you're actually listening. Genuine attention is rare. When you demonstrate it, you're signaling emotional investment. Second, you're validating her passion. Not her opinion, her passion. That's far deeper. Third, passion is attractive. When you reflect her passion back to her, you're making her FEEL attractive because passion enhances beauty. Fourth, this triggers neural coupling. Your brain becomes associated with the positive emotions she feels when talking about what she loves. The science. Research from Harvard shows that feeling understood increases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. Example in context. Wait, hold on. I love how passionate you get when you talk about teaching. Your whole face changes. That's rare. Or, I could listen to you talk about photography all day. I love how passionate you get about it. Compliment. #3. You're the kind of person who makes ordinary moments feel special. Compliment number 3. You're the kind of person who makes ordinary moments feel special. This one hits different. First, you're acknowledging her impact on your life, not her looks, not her achievements, but her ability to elevate an experience. Second, it speaks to a deep desire women have to be valued for who they are, not what they provide. Third, it's romantic without being needy or intense. Fourth, it reframes simple moments as meaningful because she's part of them. The science. Dr. John Gottman's research shows that couples thrive when everyday moments feel special. Example in context. We literally just walked around talking for 2 hours, and it felt like the best part of my week. You make ordinary moments feel special. Compliment number 4. I respect how clear you are about what you want. This one is massively underused. I respect how clear you are about what you want. Women are often criticized for having clarity. When you celebrate it, you stand out. First, respect is the foundation of connection. Second, you're validating something society often punishes her for. Third, you show confidence. Insecure men fear strong women. Confident men value them. Fourth, you're acknowledging her self-awareness and decisiveness. The science. Women rate men as more attractive when men show respect for their autonomy. Example in context. I really respect how clear you are about what you want in your career. Or, I appreciate how you communicate boundaries. That's real honesty. Compliment number 5. You have a way of making people feel like they matter. This one creates instant emotional connection. You have a way of making people feel like they matter. First, you're describing how she makes you feel, an emotional compliment. Second, you're acknowledging a rare and meaningful quality. Third, you're recognizing not just how she treats you, but how she treats everyone. The science. Dr. Barbara Fredrickson calls this positivity resonance, moments that create emotional bonding. Example in context. You actually listen. You look people in the eye. You make them feel seen. That's rare. Compliment number 6. I love that you're not afraid to be yourself. This is the authenticity accelerator. I love that you're not afraid to be yourself. First, in a world full of masks, authenticity stands out. Second, it creates psychological safety. She feels accepted. Third, it encourages even more authenticity. Fourth, it acknowledges courage and integrity. The science. Brené Brown's research shows authenticity builds deep trust. Example in context. I love that you're not afraid to be yourself. Most people hide their quirks. You own yours. Compliment number 7. The way you see the world is fascinating. This is the intellectual attraction trigger. The way you see the world is fascinating. First, you're complimenting her mind. Second, fascinating signals deep interest. Third, you're acknowledging her individuality. Fourth, it invites deeper conversation. The science. Intellectual intimacy is a major predictor of relationship satisfaction. Example in context. The way you connect ideas is fascinating. I've never thought about it like that. Compliment number 8. You inspire me to be more specific quality. The ultimate compliment. You inspire me to be more specific quality. First, you're acknowledging her impact on your growth. Second, you're showing vulnerable confidence. Third, specificity makes it meaningful. Fourth, you're demonstrating humility and self-awareness. The science. People feel valued when they know they've made a positive difference. Example in context. You inspire me to be more present. When I'm with you, I actually slow down and enjoy the moment. Notice what all these compliments have in common. 1. They're about who she is, not how she looks. 2. They're specific. 3. They demonstrate real attention. You are. They create emotional safety. 5. They're about the experience of being with her. Women are drawn to men who see them, not men who just say pretty words. Use these compliments, yes, but more importantly, become the kind of man who naturally notices depth, character, energy, and emotional impact. When that happens, these compliments won't be lines. They'll be natural expressions of appreciation. If this video added value to your life, smash that like button right now so YouTube knows this content matters. Subscribe for weekly psychology and relationship breakdowns that actually work.